This is Zeus 39 on the mix. Yeah!
Yeah, yeah!
Taran, rabwatan, bwai, haaa, mwaiti, kurikuri, bwaina, nako. Inanoani, karaba, inanoani, biritona. Haaa, kakamwaninganako, tangitangina, kamaiu, nano. Ngaia, By Zeus. Taran, rabwatan, bwai,
Wait, hold on.
If you look closely, yeah, there's so many things on it. Lots of light speakers, every part legit. Underneath the body, got a secret battery room, hidden like magic. Power locked in the pool. When you hear that attractive sound, it takes your mind away and it's so clean. Everything stress storm fade away. And when the vibe hits deep, yo, you lost in the audio. At the end of all, yeah, you don't know it's a radio.
This is your favorite DJ.
Check it out, this is Zeus 39 on the mix. Record radio now, let me teach you quick. First look at the shape of that box so clean. Speakers on the front and the buttons on the screen. If you see this side, that's the body of the sound. Volume on the top, turn it up to the ground. On the tenor on the back, stretch it tall like a tower. That's how you catch every signal. Power. Look at the shape, now you know. Look at the buttons, ready to go. See all the lights, that's the result. Turn it on now, let the music roll. This is Zeus 39 TE RERIO. One tap, one twist, feel the audio flow.